Thank you for buying this 21940-76 dog art from Fixture Displays. It's fairly small, about 5.5 inches, and it captures the essence of your beloved dog. It stands on its own and can be wall mounted by fastening with 2 screws. The screws are not supplied. Within this family of 21940, there are many other designs you can choose from. You can log on fixturedisplays.com and type in 21940 to find your beloved pet. Small size makes it very easy to position, to place in a variety of convenient places, such as on your kitchen counter, your tabletop, your bookshelf, your office, even on your car. You can easily also mount this on your wall with a couple of screws. I hope you enjoyed this video and product. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com.